Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Angelica Arlazara. I am 24 years old. My height is 157 centimeter and my weight is 55 kilogram. I am a Roman Catholic. I am single but I have a live-in partner and we have 2 kids, 8 years old and 6 years old. I am high school graduate but I have attended a training at TESDA to get FBS and domestic work NC2. I am the second in the family. I have 3 brothers and I have work experience here in the Philippines for 3 years as a housemaid to serve 5 members of the family. My main duties are to clean the house, ironing, washing clothes, and sometimes I will cook, to bath the pets and feed them. If you hired me, I will promise that I will follow all your rules, do all my duties and responsibilities, and if you have a kids, I will treat them as my own kids. Thank you.